The global volcanology community has been shocked by the latest scientific findings from Campi Flegrei, a giant caldera that for thousands of years appeared dormant but is now showing clear signs of restlessness. This volcanic system is not just an ordinary volcano, but a complex geological structure that stores enormous energy beneath a densely populated area. In an official report released by the Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, researchers revealed a significant increase in hydrothermal activity. The latest data indicates that underground fluid pressure has reached alarming levels, prompting international warnings of a potential rapid escalation into a dangerous phase. One of the most disturbing scenarios is the possibility of a phreatic eruption, a sudden, unwarning eruption that causes magma to rise to the surface. Such an eruption could potentially eject hot material and trigger high-speed, boiling mud flows from the Solfatara crater, an active fumarole area that has long been considered an open natural laboratory. According to recent scientific simulations, these flows could follow natural pathways toward the Mediterranean Sea, carrying a mixture of superheated water, ash, and toxic gases. This phenomenon poses not only a local threat but also has the potential to trigger widespread coastal environmental disruption. Below the surface, scientists have discovered the key to this increased activity, an extremely pressurized aquifer trapped at a depth of approximately 2.7 to 4 kilometers. This underground fluid system lies between layers of brittle rock, creating ideal conditions for the unstable accumulation of hydrothermal pressure. As pressure in the aquifer increases, the overlying crust begins to respond by deforming and releasing energy in the form of small but repeated volcanic earthquakes. This pattern indicates that the system is seeking a way to balance the pressure, a process that often precedes sudden eruptive events. This threat is all the more serious because more than 500,000 people live in the Campi Flegrei volcanic red zone. Dense urban areas, including the area around Naples, sit directly above a geological system undergoing rapid and unpredictable change. Recent scientific evidence reinforces these concerns. Bradism studies indicate an accelerating pattern of ground heaving, while special geothermometer readings record a rise in the temperature of underground fluids. At the same time, monitoring of fumarole gases reveals changes in chemical composition consistent with increasing internal pressure. For experts, the accumulation of these signals is not a separate phenomenon, but rather part of a progressive process leading to an eruptive state. Every small earthquake, every centimeter of uplift, and every gas change is a piece of the puzzle that depicts a volcanic system under increasing stress. The scientific reflection that emerges is inevitable. If these subtle warnings are ignored, Campi Flegrei could turn from a latent threat into a major geological crisis. These findings demand serious preparedness, as the future of life in one of Europe's most vulnerable regions may depend on how quickly science is translated into concrete action.